Thina sisikhonjwa singabaka amaphumulo eNatali. Siyakujabulela kakhulu ukuba la kulo mcimbi asiqala ukuza kuwona siba khona minyaka wonke. 2016 ube mhle kabi. Siphatheke kahle, siyajabula kakhulu engathi lo mcimbi ungaqhubeka minyaka yonke ube khona.
Mina nguThuley wakaGoqo, ngidlalela iqembu isikhonjwa. Sijabule kakhulu umcimbi umntwana asenzela wona minyaka wonke. Nangonyaka odlule kwakumnandi. Kodwa kulo ngathi siphatheke kahle kakhulu. Siyabonga umntwana engathi engaqhubeka nje esithuthukisa namasiko akithi. Umntwana kuhle ukuthi uyayinakelela amasiko ezizwe zonke. Akakhethi ngabe uyiliphi ibala. Uma ngabe nje unosiko lakho lenzayo, umntwana uyasihlanganisa, sikwazi ukudlala kube mnandi, asenzele nokudla. Sisikhonjwa sijabule kakhulu ngiyabonga.
My name is Nechpepe Samson. I'm from Limpopo. I do the dancing like Marende, Chigombera. I enjoy to be here. This is very nice. I like it. I wish the other people they must make the team so that they can teach this young one the tradition of their cultures. I think that's good. But it was nice. It's very good to be here with the other people. You see, we enjoy it really. No problem.
All the way from Northern Cape at Kurumani. Here I'm staying with my group, which is the Alohansa Tapping, since we started at 1997. It is our third time here on this festival. Yeah, it is so nice. It seems like we all know that things can be perfect, but not yet. Yeah, but this year it's very good, it's very important, and we all enjoy. But about this trip, it's very important to us. Yeah, that's how we experience more about cultures, different cultures, yeah, and how to communicate with them. Thank you.
Sanmena nigama lami ngiAngel ngwakamanana ngiyagidza kubahlangene lana sitekudlala babe mntwana usendele ukuthi ngiloyo naloyo activate buve bakhe la aqhamuka khona njengoba nisibona thina silana sibantwana bemaswati ende siyatiqhenya ngebuswati bethu siyaqhenya ngebuve bethu babe uyasihlanganisa ukuthi sitigcine sitinfombini vo siqhube buve bethu besihlangene lana last yena sise KZN nyalo sitela eFree State kuhle kakhulu lokulasendela kona sifisa kwangathi angaqhubeka inkosi imuphe amandla angapheleli lana sifuna ukuthi bona nathi leminyaka letako sisikulamanye mave sihambe sifly nje sikhombise buve bethu sibakhombe ukuthi thina simaswati senda njani ngiyabonga
sivusele malangeni lonvuselako ngumfanzile wakaNkosi Sibongo on behalf of Bahlangene Traditional Dance Group ngigcokiwe njengemholi wabo beBahlangene Traditional Dance Group lekungilona qembu lelitimisele kakhulu ukuthuthukisa emasiko ethu singakanzi ke singawalahli futhi singawacekeli phasi emasiko ethu singemaswati sitsabuka kulela leMpumalanga lamuhla sijabulile kakhulu ngenfokoto lenkulu ngemidlalo lesendelwe kona abantu labadzala lekungibona bathuthukisa emasiko lekungiyena babendaba ezitha ngisho lo akamageba phela umfana lekungiyena umfana weAfrika lekungiyena ke athuthukisa emasiko sithokotile kakhulu siphatheke kahle lonyaka lokubeke insaye yakithi njengebadlali kufikeke kwasilimata kakhulu kutholakala ukuthi imidlalo wethu sase ubuke evikini leliphelile phela kodwa ke kwahamba kwaba netihibe endleleni leti ngitona tihibe tende ukuthi sangathokoti kakhulu kepha ke namhlanje sithokotile ukuthi loluhambo lwethu ligcine lungiyo ke imphumelelo singemaswati siyathokota ke ukuthi namuhla siphelele kude lokubi lokuvelile nemathamela ngoti nawo akakabonakali abakhona kusete nje nangempela lokuhamba kabi konke kusahamba kahle kanti ke nanyaka yenye kulela laseLundo olumahlikahlika sahamba kahle singawe emaswati sadlala kodwa lonyaka kuyathembisa ke kuyathokotisa ukuthi emasiko ethu nangemambela ayenyuka lizinga liyakhuphuka liyaphambili asikatimiseli ke ngekwalahla emasiko ethu kepha sifisile kuwa promoter ayephambili njengoba sathi ukuthi lamuhla sibancane thina sibantwana bebafana kanye nebantwana bemantombazane asisanako ke lokwanele mhlawumbe ke isikhathi lesanele sekuthi awu sibe nebatali bethu sihlale phansi kodwa la kungiyena nisibona njengamanje sinababa emanana lekungiyena umphathi wethu lo ngumtali futhi loyaye futhi asikhuthate kakhulu ngemasiko ethu asivikele kakhulu etinfeni letifana nani netitsa kwamiva Thineke eMpumalanga sizabuka kulela lase Arambek lapha enhlazatshe siyabonga amalangeni nibe nelisuku loluhle
naripitile mari tutumilana baba ralna sebata kule batuna mule bali bari kosi yasi mafumulele bafumulele lisinyala rekwana kwa mama ila mulu wasithabale kole badaja rebuya thabe somala phele bari murathana nakwe ito bathu babuya lifata labo mukhali ari mama ila we ke bathu babo musazile gezuli bari mama ila mulu wasithabale kole badaja ke batho ba masibu sedege mabala siribele lambo bone bari banna se do botho wa rwana re ara ke batho ba mtho pambe ale daja ito ba makata la musazi mugadi bari ari akata ri bari pila jotha ja bari pila ka makwarene ri kona ke kalenda ene shatre nari kwana baba ana kuathaba ya ona belangwe ri bona thaba ya fulesa ya bali fulesa jetharu ri abuya ri dodar le buja baba dodar le buja sebata sa rena ba mosata wa rena thotwa number 2 thotwa bobedi batho ba buya le Mpopo mama ila dangi ke ga dumedisha batho ka ofela ga bona ba ba theleditseng lenaneo la rena re le ka moqwaqwa ka mona moqwaqwa ke mokete wo montle haholo ke mokete wo mobotse mokete wa culture events mokete wona o entswe ke khoshi ya ho tswa kwa ha Zulu kwa Prince Zulu ke ntho ya ho kopanya setjhaba sa borena sa South Africa ka gore he re lebeletse mo ke di province je 9 ka moka ga tsona ho tloa Gauteng Limpopo Eastern Cape Northern Cape Western Northern ka moka ga bona ba bona mo kwatwa mona phutha ditšhaba ke mo re leng gona mo university mokete wona ne ke rata gore batho e ke ba ka khanyoa le bona nakong ye tlang ha o ba hona ngwaong o tlang ha re tla mona re tle re tletse re le ba bangata re tle re bone hore boelano e ba hona setšhaba sa borena se be le bushishano ka ofela ha sona e ska ba re nna re tlhoyane e be merafe e sa kwane merafe ya lwana o mongwe ha ba tlo bona o mongwe o re ole ke mokaikae ke moXhosa ona ke moZulu ai ka nthire batho ba teka ofela ha rena re ma Africa a re be ma Africa ka moka ke be ke khopela hore le monse se tlang e ke re ka tla ratlala re tle mona re bona yena ngwana wa kwa ha Zulu a re bontsha lesedi le lengwe le lentle ke lesedi le thabo ho nyakaletswe mona ha le ka lebelela ho nyakaletswe le tla bona ha le buletse di TV le bona gore no nyakaletswe yang go tletse merafe ka moka maZulu maXhosa mapedi matsonga eng basotho le batswana ka le bashweshwe ka ofela ha bona merafe ka moka mo South Africa e gona mona ke ne ke kopa ke re ka bonyane le monsa setlang ke re bona re tladitse plekena yena ya mo qwaqwa haeba mokete o tla ba mo qwaqwa ha e ka ba mokete o tla ba le tlhakoreng le lengwe la naga re tla be re tsebisitswe re tla menywa ke yena ye Prince Zulu ka bonyane nyana ke ne ke re mokete o bile o montle haholo a re a bona bothata mona ha ona dintwa ha ona ene ke nyakallo fela ha hona ntwa le leponesa ha le o la hore le a sikhuwa mona ha hona ntho e mpe fela ho nyakaletswe ha le utlwa merupana mona o a thabiswa ke boithabisong ho ntse o nyakaletswe
le ha mosebetsi hona yaanong se swa o thoma mme re a re a beakanya re tlo thoma hona yaanong mmereko o tla thoma ke kgale o ntse o thomile re na le matšatši a mararo re ntse re le gona mo matšatši a mararo mme ka letšatši le la ka tšeko re tlo fetša re feleletša mokete oo re re batho ba rena ba South Africa re dia boipiletšo tlang re tle re nyaka le lena lemong se se tlang re tle mo ke ntho e botse ke ntho ya o aishana setšhaba sa Afrika se boelane e be ntho e le tee mo re ka bona re tlhabolola setšhaba sa borena le bana ba borena ba tla bona gore no setšhaba kaofela se boelane se ya kwana le bona ba tla kgona gore joina le magoši a borena le ona re be re dia boipiletšo gore ka moka na yena re kgone go ba ntho e leng tee re be ngatana e le tee re boelane ka bonnyane ne ke bona gore polelo ya ka e felela moo.
Okay, thank you kwete tino te arangu kanu te ya tanki thoro te nti anke kawate nqazi khozi twate zao kara ko thoro ko nte u thoro te thoro ko sibinzi e tsane ta ko te u trazisi te nguya ko te thoro ko ngam ku thoro ma wokiri dima kien karo go itano se ku dima ata te wokiri na ko te ko ti asa se ti kheriat te kien kawate nika te ya ta wokiri ate free static ntiqan kien counter ngizim are ko qita goyo a ta ko kominga sa qem ta go khom a double kama am ko antiqan kien ka tikien ka ti kheri oge
hayi asengiqale ngibingelele lesive sonke lesikhona kulendzawo thine sibuya eMpumalanga ene thine simaswati ene lobuswati bethu asibucali namuhla ngobe silana lobuswati bethu sibucale sibancane sithi Dzandzane sagcina sabadindvombi namhla sesibogogo sinedingabisa ene lobuve bethu sifuna buhlale bunjalo buphumelele sifuna bube impumelelo ngaso sonke isikhathi ene labantwana benda ukuthi baseveke ngoba bayakhona kuhlonipha inhlonipho ihlala ikhona bayethe
Today we are closing our festival that started 2 days ago. We are very pleased with the progress that we made in the Free State. Our plans are strong for next year. We have bigger and better plans. Our collaborations with international society and community on artistic development and also creating a stage for our people and creating more platform for them in places like Europe and America. So we will continue to expand our plans and we maintain our neutral position in politics as all our members are affiliates of all political organizations. We are pleased with the progress and the commitment of our people, the way that they have performed, the way that they behave. It's really an inspiration because these are our people who come from the rural side of South Africa. All the 9 provinces has been here, and today we'll be dispersing them and releasing them from their duty and commitment of the ORCF. We are more than pleased with the collaboration that we have got from government and private sector in staging this event to be a success. And we remain hopeful that we'll be able to grow our collaboration next year and be able to implement some of the things that were not even possible due to time, as government operates through its own time. But we are, however, very pleased with the position of the Premier Ace Mahashula, Honorable Ace Mahashula, towards the festival. We know that he is pleased to have this festival here. That alone gives us hope that we'll be able to turn this situation into a festival that will create jobs, promote tourism, reduce crime, and create international exposure for not only KwaKwa, but the Free State and the South Africa and the continent as a whole, as this festival is serious activities. And we will also grow our program to involve the food, to involve the selling of garments, and many other things. Also, we are planning on adding the French. We are planning on adding the French, the English, all the European who are also working, who has been around South Africa for 100 years. This is a position which is part of our plans for next year in making sure that we create an inclusive festival that will be proud, that will be able to present proudly to all our people globally. We know that there is a huge number of diaspora of South Africans across the world, and we are putting a plan forward how to be able to reach those people and be able to allow them to get their culture to visit them as they are suffering from nostalgia of being away from home for too long. I thank our people, I thank the whole community of South Africa, our leaders, our guests, all our service providers, and all those that you have come into contact with during the preparation of this event. We say thank you very much. May God bless you, and let us continue to build a South Africa that is powerful, that has got freedom, that has got beautiful diversity of culture. I thank you all as your founder of the ORCF International, also known as Onkweni Royal Cultural Festival, a descendant of Prince Chingane Kambande, His Royal Highness Prince Chingane Kambande, who is son of Mbande. Thank you very much.